afternoon, the original distance, trying to get closer to buildings. Now this is a double zoom. I'm getting closer slowly, 3 times, 6. Let's get closer. This is the maximum zoom, 10x from the top of the building. To the bottom. Let's zoom out. This is the original frame.